Hello everyone, we are here at the Brewdog Brewery in East London for a very exciting reason. We have made a beer. Now, both of us love a beer, but to kick off 2021, we've decided to do Dry January. Now, we're guessing that a lot of you guys are doing that too. To make that a little bit easier for you, we've teamed up with our boys at Brewdog to make this. This is Bosh AF. We're so excited about it. It's a deliciously refreshing alcohol-free beer full of speciality malts and North American hops. You can get it at brewdog.com and the Brewdog Now app. And what's more, for every single pack that you buy, they will plant a tree in the Brewdog forest. Mate, that is so cool. Do you know what goes well with a beer? What's that? Burger. Our Big Bosh Barbecue Bagel Burger is back at Brewdog. That's quite a tongue twister. Oh, but the burger is a real tongue tickler. Check out Brewdog to get your cans in today. And you know what? Good luck with your Dry January.